Hi everyone, welcome to Kirkland Lawrence's Troubleshooting Techniques project in Canstasia Studio. This learning experience for students is a short-term learning experience as well as a long-term learning experience. That is, students can use the information in their immediate working environment as well as they can use it in their future endeavors to troubleshoot typical appliances that are used in the household system. The first thing to do in the troubleshooting process is to verify the reported problem. This can be done by doing a general observation in using your senses to first smell to detect any unusual scents, then you touch to determine if there is excessive heat dissipating at any point, or you listen for unusual sounds such as cracking, any other types of unusual sound that you may hear, or you can do a visual inspection to see if the equipment is plugged in, or the breaker is turned off, or the equipment itself is turned off. The next step in the troubleshooting process is to test if power is available. If there is no power available, then there is likely to be a problem with the power supply system. Therefore, you are going to check the fuse. If it is blown, you can replace it with the exact value. Then you can check the circuit breaker if the system is equipped with a circuit breaker panel, and to see if any circuit breaker is tripped out. If a breaker is tripped out, then you can reset it. Next, you will plug in the equipment, assuming that one of the above has taken place. If it works, it therefore means that the problem was in fact with the supply system. Therefore, you can consult the owner of the equipment and do your transaction. If it does not work, it therefore means that a problem is likely to be in the equipment itself, as can be seen if yes was your answer when you tested for power. The triangle will show that there is a problem associated with the equipment, and the equipment will need to be worked on to sort out the problem. To continue the troubleshooting process, you will want to consult the manual that is supplied with the equipment. Then you read for troubleshooting tips that are common with such appliance. After which you can look at the schematic drawing to troubleshoot along that line. Effecting repairs is the final step in the troubleshooting process. First, you will disassemble the equipment by using appropriate screwdrivers and pliers and any other tools that are necessary for that aspect of the job. Then you will diagnose the problem by using the appropriate test instruments such as digital multimeter, oscilloscope, signal generator, frequency counter, among others. Then you will literally repair the equipment by replacing any malfunctioning parts, circuit board, or microchip, depending on the nature. Then, doing that, you will in fact correct the problem, and then you will reassemble the project, test it for operation. If it works, you consult the owner do your transaction and charge your fee. Remember, no work is free. There must be a cost that will attach to your workmanship. If it does not work, then you go over the effect repairs procedure, or you can backtrack one step to consulting your manual once more. I hope these troubleshooting tips will help in your future endeavors. Finally, this practice exercise will give students the opportunity to use the troubleshooting process to demonstrate their far learning experience that can be used at any time in the near or distant future. Here, the student is required to perform a troubleshooting job on his neighbor electrical appliance by applying the troubleshooting tactics and concepts learned during this presentation. Thank you once again for watching.